Mathias, do you have anything we want to
Yes.
say?
I'm trying to share the slides from this machine as well. Thanks. Just a minute. It's only gonna take a couple of seconds. Do you see the slides full screen?
Yes.
Awesome. So just a couple of minutes. Thanks and awkward hugs all around. So we would obviously like to thank the organization committee for all the speedy feedback that we received, holding our hands as part of the PC process. Aurélien has been answering like about 2 billion questions from Fangfei and myself. The previous chairs provided us a lot of details, feedback, and so on. Alisa helped us with the IEEE process and getting the workshop set up and everything. Daniel Cruz for being the new media star, providing Twitter entertainment, helping with the logo, t-shirts, and so on. Eric for the work on the artifact evaluation, and also very importantly to the program and artifact evaluation committees for like all the timely reviews, the massive amount of discussion and lots of work reproducing results. So this was an amazing feat of work. And last but not least, to all of the attendees on today's workshop, I think I may be a bit biased, but I think that's the best workshop I've actually seen over the last year during the pandemic. There was a lot of interaction. There were a lot of questions. It worked mostly well, apart from a couple of technical problems that had to be there. And I think overall, all of you did an amazing job joining here and interacting and asking great questions. And this brings us to pretty much the end of today's workshop of WOOT number 15. So this is the end, but it's not the end of WOOT. So submit again next year. We need more papers. We need great papers. Send all your best offensive technologies to the WOOT workshop, which will happen again next year. Follow at WOOT Security on Twitter for updates and information. And also, we would like to collect some feedback. What you thought, what worked well during the workshop, what didn't work so well, what should we do better for next year? So send all the feedback to WOOT21-chairs at groups.epfl.ch. I will post the link in the chat as well in a second. So we're collecting feedback for that. Let us know anything you would like for us to make better, critiques, or also stuff that you liked. We're very open towards feedback and want to incorporate that going further. With that, we would like to thank you all for your attention. It's been an amazing day. And yeah, see you all around next year. Thanks, and have a good
everyone.
night.
Thanks, Mathias, for organizing the workshop. It went really well.